Welcome to a quick demo of the Go Live assessment for change adoption in the OCMS Portal. You can access the tool from Phase 3 Deploy and Phase 4 Normalize. When you first open the tool, the system will auto-populate the assessment with all individuals in your target audience list. You can choose to populate a different audience for the assessment by choosing another option here. Then click Regenerate. When assessing Go Live and adoption preparedness, you will typically conduct more than one assessment. The first assessment will come just before the project goes live, Assessment 1. Then, after Go Live, during the normalization phase, you'll conduct another assessment to see the progress. Let me show you how that's done. As soon as any metrics are scored, you'll see the Conclude this assessment button. Click that to close the assessment. Then when you're ready, click Start a new assessment. Now you can begin your next assessment. There are 5 questions asked in this tool to generate a Go Live adoption score. These relate to the user having sufficient access, knowledge of where to get support, feeling ready for the change, their experience, and proficiency. There are 2 ways to populate these metrics. One is to manually score them based on your interactions with the individuals or groups. The second is to use the built-in survey. Just click Send a Survey at the top to be taken to the survey template for the Go Live adoption assessment. Once the 5 metrics are scored, you'll see the engagement plan. This plan is automatically generated by the system to save you time and guide you. The engagement plan gives you detailed recommendations on adoption support activities. Click the pencil at the top to edit the plan. Lastly, you can add your own data-driven metrics to the assessment. Click Add a Data Metric. Choose between a yes/no metric, such as did the user take a specific action, and a percentage metric, such as a user completed 50% of the requested actions. Enter your metric details, then click Save. You'll see them added beneath the questions. The outputs of the Go Live assessment tool drive insightful reporting on the organization's readiness to successfully adopt and sustain the change initiative. And that brings us to the end of this quick demo of the Go Live assessment tool. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help.